Today I'm coming to eat khao soi at the best khao soi shop in Chom Thong. It's located just to the south of Chom Thong at this intersection here. This lovely little old style restaurant. สวัสดีครับข้าวสวยหมูกรอบพิเศษครับ
ครับต้มหมูกรอบพิเศษไม่เอาหอมแดง
ครับผม This is khao soi. It's a northern Thai specialty curry. Comes with these dry noodles and some wet noodles inside, a delicious curry sauce, and then it comes with a side dish with some pickled cabbage, a slice of lime, and usually it has some homdang, some red onion, but the guys here know that I don't like red onion, so they don't give it to me. There's some cilantro on it, and to add to it, if it's not spicy enough for your taste, there is always a jar of this chili paste that is, as far as I know, it's the only chili that's used with khao soi, and it's only used, this chili is only used on khao soi. It's a kind of dark, oily chili paste. It's not really a sauce, and it is just perfect with khao soi. Always squeeze a little bit of a leftover lime into the water, makes it taste nice. And then add the pickled vegetable. And this is khao soi mu gop, so this has got the crispy pork with it. You can get usually chicken, you can get a chicken leg with it, just regular pork. But I like it with the mu gop. The crispy pork is really nice, so they're fabulously well here. I haven't eaten khao soi for a long time. When I came here 22 years ago, well, came to Chiang Mai, I used to eat khao soi every day. There was a little shop next to the place I work. And they just said khao soi or kway teow on it. Kway teow is another noodle dish. It's a rice noodle, and I don't really like it so much. So I would eat khao soi every single day for, I don't know, 2 years, 2.5 years I suppose. I never got tired of it. Back then it was just 15 baht a bowl. I think this is now 55. I'm getting a bit of ordered piece set. I get a special, so it's a little bit larger serving. But back 22 years ago it was only 15 baht a bowl, and it was fine so long as you didn't mind the dogs under the table on the dirt floor while you're eating your lunch. Here there's no dogs. And there's no dirt floor. It's a little bit more upmarket, but still really got a nice traditional local vibe to it. It's very quiet. I'm a little bit early today, purposely, because I wanted to make a video, and normally around lunchtime they're really busy. They do a good trade. There's government offices nearby, so they get a lot of government staff coming through. I know why, because they make consistently fabulous khao soi. It was really good by any standards. And I've got a few favourite khao soi places around, but most of them are in and around Chiang Mai town. And this one ranks right up there with the best of them, in my opinion. My wife was making it for a while to sell at our shop before we started doing the pizza there. And when we started doing the pizza, she stopped doing it. And I've just been down to get my haircut. And Convoy, the barber, asked me if we were still doing Khao Soi there because he said his wife really liked it. The Khao Soi that my wife makes, so I'm going to have to tell her that she's going to have to start making it again. Well, we talked about it anyway, she's going to start making it so that we can sell it at home because it is such a classic northern style Thai dish that every foreign traveller's got to try it when they come to northern Thailand. But being a curry, it's always a little bit different everywhere you taste it, everywhere you try it. And I found the best shops are the older ones, the ones that have really got their recipe down, they've tweaked it and just got it really, really good. So a couple of places I go in Chiang Mai that are run by older people, and one place actually outside of Chiang Mai in Doi Saket out to the north. The first time I went there I ate 2 bowls, it was so good. And I asked them how long they'd been making Khao Soi there. It was just a little restaurant in the front yard, which is pretty typical here. People will set up a restaurant in the front yard of their home, and if it's successful it'll just grow and they'll develop it over time. And this couple had been serving Khao Soi in the front of their house in a little restaurant there for 40 years or more. And the experience showed it was just fabulous Khao Soi. It was so delicious. A little bit of a dangerous dish to eat, especially if you're wearing a white shirt, because the noodles can tend to flick the sauce up a little bit onto your shirt, which is not a good look. Always got to fish around in the soup, just in case there's a little piece of pork floating in there, hiding in there. And that's it. That's lunch for today. Absolutely delicious. One of the best lunches that I enjoy. One of my favourite lunches every time I eat it, especially when I eat it here. It's great. $60 ครับผมโอเคขอบคุณครับสวัสดีครับ